If you find water leakage of the indoor unit during the air conditioning operation, please follow the following steps to check and make sure your air conditioner becomes normal quickly. Cause summary. Water leakage may be caused by the following reasons. 1. Indoor unit improper installation. 2. Dirty filter of the indoor unit. 3. Remote control temperature and wind speed setting problems. 4. The drain pipe is poor drainage of the indoor and outdoor. Solution. First, check if the air conditioner indoor unit is installed horizontally or slightly tilted towards the drainage direction. Otherwise, it will cause water leakage. Try to adjust the internal unit to a horizontal position. If it cannot be operated, please contact higher service to resolve it immediately. Turn off the air conditioner. Open the indoor front panel to check the filter. If it hasn't been cleaned for a long time, it will accumulate a lot of dust, resulting in water leakage in air conditioning. The filter can be cleaned by running water and brush. After the filter is dry, install it in place and fix the front panel in place. Please refer to the video How to Clean Air Filter for the specific cleaning process. It is recommended to clean the air filter every 15 days. Air conditioner runs in cooling mode for a long time in humid environment. The wind speed is set as low wind speed, and the air guide plate is downward position for a long time, which will cause condensation water to be generated on the outside of the air guide plate. The wind speed can be reset to high speed, and the direction of the guide plate can be adjusted to the horizontal direction. Check the drainage of the indoor machine's drain pipe, and check the conditions on both indoor and outdoor sides along the drain pipe. If there is any bending and blocked, it should be adjusted in time. If the drain pipe is damaged and cannot be repaired by yourself, please contact higher hotline service in time. If the drain pipe is damaged or leaking and cannot be repaired by yourself, please contact the higher hotline service in time. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, please contact our higher customer service.